So welcome to another campervan restoration video. It's the 16th of October. I'm just showing you the progress that we're making. We're on the finishing side of it now. So yesterday I started laying the floor. This is the type of floor that we used. We got this from Home Bargains, and it's a type of vinyl flooring. It's quite good. It's thick. It's, you know, and it's got a adhesive on the back, so you just have to peel the back off and then stick it down. And what Sylvia did yesterday or the day before, can't remember what day she did, but she came in and she vacuumed all the floor, like nice tidy job, and then she unibonded the floor for me. So that sealed the chipboard, because the floor was made of chipboard. So yeah, it cuts quite well. To cut it, you just have to score it with a Stanley knife, and then just bend it and snap it over, a bit like doing plasterboard, very similar to plasterboard. It shapes quite well, and I've been able to fit it around the bench units. Yesterday also I took the pump out. I've been working on the pump because the pump's packed up. It works and stops, so we decided to go for a new pump. So when that comes, I'll put that in. But in order to facilitate putting the floor down, make it a bit easier, I took the bench, because the bench is made up of a sliding section. So when you're in the daytime, you can put the bench back, so you can use it as a dining area, a dinette. And then at night time, when you want to make a bunk up, you pull it out, and then you fill it in the middle with the table sections, and then you put your mattress out, and so you got a double bed, which is quite comfortable. So just to facilitate putting the flooring down, I took the benching out. So I'm going to turn you around now, and we'll show you what we've been up to. Okay. Well, we're working on the water system for the campervan. And we're taking out the water pump. I'll turn you around and show you, because the water system, when you turn the tap on, it don't flow properly. It stops and starts, and couldn't get the whole water system working. And I think it's because the pressure's not right. So I went on YouTube and I saw some videos about this SureFlow type pump and people taking it apart. So I'll turn you around and I'll just show you what I've discovered. I've taken it out from the campervan, brought it into the kitchen to give it a clean up. So I'll turn you around and show you. So here you go. Here's the SureFlow diaphragm pump. And I've taken this piece off here, and you can see there's dirt in there. So I'm hoping now that's going to be the problem. That's what the problem's going to be. So I'm going to take that off. I'm trying to balance it so I can. And then this is the piece that fits in there. That piece has come out of there, and you can see, look, it's quite dirty. You see? See all that muck in there. So I'm going to clean it up and I'm going to put it back together. And hopefully that will solve the problem. So we took the top off and exposed the pump, and there's just a little bit of dirt in here, bit of dirt there. So I'm just going to take that out and clean it now. You can see inside a bit of dirt, it's inside there, not a lot, but going to stop it working, isn't it? So I'm going to clean that up now. So you go, Sylv. What do you think? Looking good? You pleased? Hope you like it. I think it looks lovely, nice and warm, and it goes with the covers as well. You know, it goes with this colour lovely. It's all matching. So there you go, all the floor done. All cut in nice. See, down there, all done. The bench back in there, just got to put that bench back. Oh. Looking good, looking really cool.